Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha and I create content focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today I have a get ready with me video for you guys featuring hair, makeup, nails. I'm really happy with how the look came out, both with the colors and everything. But without further ado, guys, let's jump into this video. I'm gonna take this big white tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb out my hair. I'm doing my hair first because I'm putting a curl defining gel in there and I want it to dry by the time I'm finished with this video. I'm parted it into 4 equal parts. Taking the gel, I'm just going to comb through these sections. Just going to do the rest of this. So I finished my hair. I'm just gonna let it sit there and dry, and then we're gonna move on to the next portion of this video, which is my makeup. I'm about to do my nails. I'll film it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna include it in this video because it's gonna be super long. I'm about to soak off the previous glue that's on my nail with some acetone, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Hey guys, so I finished my nails and they're this grayish nudish tone. They're also matte in a coffin shape. The process took less than 5 minutes of me cleaning off the previous glue, applying them to my nail, and then gluing them on. That's it for this video. I want to thank everybody who took the time out to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also list everything that I used in this video. That's it. Bye guys.